I'm getting closer. I am getting closer to smashing my Voyage Beneath the Sea paper collection that I have started and used, 2 months ago. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. As part of my Paper Stash Smash collab, I said what I wanted to do is finish using up my Voyage Beneath the Sea. Now I only have some scraps left. There's some fairly big size scraps, but before I declare it done, I'll show you what I made. But for this project, I made some of these little 3x4 cinch bound notebooks. Actually, they're not 3x4. They're 3¼ by 4¼ That's the size of the covers. And then the cards, of course, are from Dollar Tree. They're 4x6 index cards that I cut in half. So my tip to you is to go ahead and cut your index cards. Go ahead and make your little holes in them and have them ready so when you're smashing paper, all you have to do is make the cover and the inside pages. So let me take you through these. There's nothing fancy about them. I don't do as much as other people. Check out the girls in the collab. A lot of them have some videos on how they make it. I just add the paper to chipboard. In this case, I didn't cover it. I cut it. Sometimes I cover the chipboard. In this case, I just I glued it on and cut it down. But anyhow, it worked. I didn't have so many things for the cover. I didn't have too many more cut aparts or anything. But I did have this page, and I cut this guy out. I thought it was sort of cute, the little fish with the guy riding him. I had a sticker that said Sea of Wonder, so I put that down and put the guy on top of it. It's a steampunk oceany theme. I mean, it's sort of cool. And you can see some of the elements on the paper below. So here I just made a cheater little pocket, cheater meaning I just glued it on 3 sides, added a chipboard element here, and just made a little pocket there. I don't even have a front page to this, just added some cards. Now I did have this little card, so I couldn't put it the long way because you couldn't write on it, so I just folded it and added it into there. I had another paper. I used my tab punch. I don't always like doing tabs on these small little books because I don't like them getting wrecked up, so I figure if I put it in enough so only just a little bit is showing, it'll work for these. So just a cute little book to stick in your purse or in your car. If you're sitting waiting in the car line or whatever and you want to just jot a couple of notes down. If you saw somebody's video as you're watching videos and you said, oh, I should make that, keep it next to yourself in your desk, in your craft room, and get some ideas. This one, I did have this little cut apart. I did cut down. I had that chipboard element. So I added that onto a chipboard cover. Had it just a couple little pieces that I rounded the corners and stuck in the pocket. And luckily I had a piece that said, "The sea is calling, I must go." Little chipboard element here. Couple of pages. Bunch of pages. This, of course, is cut down, but I thought she was sort of cute. So added a little tab to that page. Some more paper here. Another divider page. Some more pages. Another divider page. And then there we are. Nothing fancy. A sticker here and a sticker there because I had some stickers left. This one was, what size is this cut apart? It was probably 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I cut it down. I cut down a little starfish. Was that a sticker? No, that was just from some paper, and there's a chipboard element I just added to the cover. Here's the little cheater pocket. It's a little teeny pocket. I folded this in half, and then there was a little leftover. I did a little thumb notch and added a little stamp there. So there's a little folder for the front pocket there. A couple of pages. Whoa, I'm so out of camera. I don't know why. A couple of pages there. I liked this octopus leg, so I left it. I could have turned it over, but more pages to write on. was going to say, is that upside down? It's probably sideways, to be honest with you, but it doesn't matter. More pages, and that's it. Nothing fancy schmancy, but you know, I tend to give these away. I'll put them with an order. Sometimes I'll list them in my shop, but these ones I didn't do that much to, so I'm not going to list them in my shop. I'll probably give away if somebody buys something fabulous from me. That is what I have for one of the projects. I'm almost done smashing my stash, so stay tuned. I have another couple of teeny little projects that I made to use up all of my scraps. That's what I have. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.